Well, I have the pleasure and honor of leading global corporate communications and public affairs, government affairs at Kedrion, which I know it is sometimes unusual to have both corporate comms and public affairs together. But to respond to the question, I think it's extremely important to own the narrative and push it. And why it is so important and exciting to be in this industry, it's because we do develop life-saving drugs that are so impactful for the lives of our patients with rare and ultra-rare conditions. It is uniquely global because we have like players that have roots in Europe and that play so intensively and massively in the United States and in other markets. So we are genuinely a global market and ecosystem, but our supply chain is very much integrated. So it is important to protect our industry and supply chain from all the unusual taxation systems and threats to free commerce, because the interdependence between markets and supply chain hubs, it is extremely important that that is so unique in the plasma industry. It's not only related to growth, but it's related to the vision and mission of our industry. I have the hope we can be a little bit more vocal and bolder in our conversations and narratives out there, because there is still a misconception, or actually sometimes a total misunderstanding of what the plasma industry is. And we talk about in one of the sessions here at IPPC about what happens, the mystery that happens from collection, plasma collection, to the delivery to patients of therapies. What happens in those 10 to 12 months is not a mystery. It's like the magic of the industry, meaning that there is a lot of science happening at the plants, production plants of the players, a lot of research, and a lot of like very specialized production processes that we need to talk about. I had the pleasure of speaking at this year's IPPC, and I would definitely recommend it to the peers and colleagues in this industry, but also to colleagues and peers in pharma and in the healthcare space. And I think we should open up also our gates to people from pharma and the healthcare space overall. That will be a good cross-contamination for us. But I think it's a unique event because it's international. It brings together people who work usually in the trade association, not in silos, but in their working groups. Like there is the comms group, there is a public affairs group, regulatory, and so many other different departments and divisions that have an opportunity at least once per year to meet and discuss the hottest industry topics and what are really the challenges and opportunities for us. So that's so valuable.